log in the cooker.
Welcome back to the Gnarly Chicken Garage. So today we're going to install a lift kit. So one of the things that I came across was, at least for the Gladiator, at least what I found for the gas 3.6 Gladiator, there's a lot of lift kits. There's a lot of options. I knew I wanted control arms. I knew I wanted decent shocks. You know, this is, to me, being able to see what comes in the box. You know, when you're about to pull the trigger on a $2,000, $3,000 kit, this is nice to see, because the website is listed incorrect. It doesn't list exactly what control arms come with it. So it does come with front lowers and rear uppers, so it's perfect. You get your pinion angle and your caster fixed. All right, so here comes the challenging part. More so when you're solo. Trying to get this big spring in. Just for comparison here, that's the difference in height between the coils. So we're indexed on the top. There's two little tabs that fit through the hole. Springs in, bump stop spacer, and we'll repeat on the other side. See how it goes. Quite a push. You gotta line up. You gotta make sure that index is into there when you come up. Okay. So we have the suspension all in. We've torqued the whole entire front. We've got both sides. Better lighting over here, so. Got the coil in, 4-inch coil, shocks in, everything's torqued. Came with its own sway bar links, so we greased them, put the bushings in, torqued them up. Then we did the track bar, torqued the lower control arms, which are their own design. So yeah, put the wheels on and we'll get to the rear, the easy side.
We're there. One side basically done.
Yeah, almost.